wonderful evening. Today is our presentation session. So I am Kashish and my presentation topic is Marie Curie. So first of all, who was Marie Curie? Marie Curie was a very famous physicist and chemist, and she was the first woman in receiving two Nobel prizes and the first woman to be teacher in University of Paris. She was born on 7th November in 1867 at Warsaw, Poland, and she married Marie Curie in 1985. He was also scientist. She had two children, Angelique Curie and Ivy Curie. Marie Curie was the first woman to earn physics degree, and she is the first woman who discovered rubidium and polonium. And she developed and units to provide X-ray and service to field hospital. And her achievement in 1903 she was awarded a Nobel Prize in physics, and in 1911 she was awarded a second prize in chemistry for her research on rubidium and its compound. Marie Curie was appointed director of the Paris and Radio Institute in 1914, and Curie Institute was founded. Two Nobel prizes. Marie Curie was won the two Nobel prizes. First one in physics and second one in chemistry. Why did she die? She died on 4th July 1934. She died because the harmful radiation which caused aplastic anemia, and it's ended with her life. In conclusion, Marie Curie's groundbreaking work paved the way for future scientists. Her legacy continue inspired and motivated. Marie Curie is still regarded of the mother of radioactivity. So this is all about my topic, and thank you for attention. If any question you may be asked.
Start with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful, beneficial, honorable, principal, respectful teacher. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I am Varsha from class 10. I am thankful to Sir Sunil for incredible opportunity for my group and refine my skills. Then after I start my presentation, and my presentation topic is Marie Curie. Who is Marie Curie? Marie Curie was born in 1867. The youngest have two children. In 1891, he go to Paris and join the university. He learned physics, chemistry, and math. He married to the Marie Curie. Marie Curie was the chemistry and physics teacher. They both very struggled and last day he successful for her life. And then Marie Curie was the first woman who won Nobel Prize in physics and chemistry. No, who died? How did she died? She died in 1954. Long-term exposure to radiation. Few lines of Marie Curie, the first woman of degree of physics, the first woman who gratitude in the France, the first woman who obtain a chair to Striegel, the first scientist who got Nobel Prize. So thank you.